Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist says for the past year, his racial disparities task force has been doing interventions, offering free masks to the community, neighborhood testing sites, and the like in order to help get reduce the mortality rate. So he says now they're using that same infrastructure to try and get the vaccine to people where they are, not just at mass distribution sites like TCF Center here behind me.
Every person in Michigan who has not yet gotten vaccinated is one conversation away from making that choice.
Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist says the Making Real Change tour he's undertaking will equip people who've been vaccinated with how they can encourage others to do the same, particularly in communities of color, where vaccine hesitancy appears to remain an issue based on the numbers. In Detroit, just over 20% of residents have received the vaccine. In Wayne County, 38%. Oakland County, close to 41%, and in Macomb County, just over 33%. In late February, I sat down with Reverend Charles Williams II and Dr. Jonae Caldoun, the state's chief medical executive, to discuss why some people of color may feel hesitant.
There's the Tuskegee experiment, but then there's the personal experiences of everyday individuals.
There have been studies that have been done intentionally to withhold treatment from Black and brown people. And still to this day, there exists bias in the healthcare system.
Gilchrist says Black people make up 14% of the state's population. And a year ago at this time, Blacks accounted for 40% of COVID deaths in Michigan. So he highlights the efforts of his task force to slow the spread and hopes it carries over to this new push with the vaccine.
We were able to now have it so that Black Michiganders make up less than 10% of the people who are getting COVID-19, less than 10% of the people who are dying. That's been true even as we saw cases start to increase a few weeks ago. So we're proud of that progress. We know that progress is fragile, so we have to stick with it.
Now, Mayor Duggan and the city of Detroit have also made efforts to get the vaccine to people, easier access with walk-in clinics, including neighborhood clinics. Reporting live from downtown Detroit this morning outside TCF Center, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.